Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to change Fortnite Nintendo Switch. So as you can see, I am on the store of Epic Games. So just make sure to go to the Google and search here Epic Games. Once you search Epic Games, you will see this website, the Epic Games. Just make sure to go to this one and log in with your correct account. And once you're logged in, just go to your account profile, click here and you will see like multiple options. So just click on account. And once you go to the account section, it will take a few seconds to load, so wait. And after that you will see like these multiple options. So from here just scroll down and find an option like apps and accounts. So just click on this option, and once you click here, as you can see all the apps and accounts which are connected to my account. So you can see this is basically the Google account connected, and if my Facebook was connected, so here you will see like a kind of remove option. So once you scroll down, you will see like Nintendo account connected to your account. So if you already have a Nintendo account attached to your account, so you will see an option like this, remove. So just click on the remove option and your account, like the current account that is attached, will be removed. So once you remove this account, after that you will be able to add a new account and a different account to your account. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can change accounts in Fortnite Nintendo Switch.